Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here's a beautiful tutorial on how to make this gathered dress and this sleeve. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into the video. Thank you.
This is the Ankara we're working with. This is a poly material. Half length of this dress is 17. Half length of this dress is 17. This is 17 and a half. So her bust measurement is 34. 34. 34 divided by 4. 8 and a half. I put it down here. I check it. And then I have enough for if I want to give allowance. Our shoulder to bust here, we have 10. Shoulder to bust, we have 10. Or let's just give it 9 and a half. Armhole, 16, obviously 8. So we'll just take it down. That's it, armhole. Her shoulders is 16, still the same 8. We'll put in our shoulder measurement. Then we'll come down by 1 inch shoulder slope. You can go down by half, you can go down by 1 inch. But then her neck depth, I'm working with 3 and a half. Neck width rather, and neck depth, I'm working with 4. She don't really need it to be open. She doesn't want it to be open at all. So I'm just working with 4. You curve it this way. A bust measurement. 9 and a half is a bust measurement. Under bust, you just count 3. 1, 2, 3. I take it here. This should be an under bust. But there will be no need for all those princess that. We'll just do a normal that. So her nipple to nipple is 6. So we'll just give it 3. This is it to come up again. 3. So any length of your choice. Me, I choose to go by 6 for the that. So when sewing, I'm going to notch this place now. When sewing, I'm just going to come up here. So when sewing, I will just take here like this, run down to this place for the that allowance. So let's put in her body measurement. Her bust is 34 divided by 4 is 8 and a half. I'll just be working with 1 inch sewing allowance because it's a stretchy material. Her shape is 31. 31 is 31 divided by 4. Let's say 7 and a half. 1 inch sewing allowance. So what I have here, I will just bring it down to this waist. Exactly what I have here, which is almost 9. That's 8 and 7.5. So I'll just rule a line connecting this whole place together to the armhole. So this is it. I'm sure you guys are cleared here. I'm going to cut this part now. I'll use it to cut the back side. I'm going to notch this middle part. It's very neat. This is 1 and a half. So all I just need to do is take this front bodice, place it on it, front do. But for me, I'm coming down by 1 and a half. I'll just connect it from the shoulder to it. So then I'll cut. So with this now, just cut all through everything. So in order to avoid zipper bulge, this is our bust. We'll come down here. This is the shape. You just rule the lines out. You take this out. Want to take a zipper bulge. From this now, I come in by half or 1 inches. This is stretchy material, so some this, and then here I come up by half inch. And then with my ruler, I will connect these lines together. And then this half inch you took here. You just take it to the waist. You just take it down here like this. Usually a straight line, connecting it to the waist, not totally to this waistline, just so you can see what I did. I took it here. 3 inch. So we're going to repeat the same thing here. 3. That's I started measuring from this zipper allowance, please. Put it from here, going by 3. When sewing, I came up by 6. Repeat the same thing. You can do 5, you can do 4, depending, it's going to be easy for me. So when I'm sewing now, I'm going to hold it. So this upper body is ready. The upper body front and back, they are ready. I'll take this to the sewing machine. Yeah, I'll take this to the sewing machine. This dart here, I'm going to sew this dart up here to this 6. I'll do the same thing to this. Fold it, sewing by half inch sewing allowance. up to the 6. That's when the two darts. I'll repeat the same thing on this back side too. I'll sew the back dart allowance. After joining the dart, front side facing each other. Then I'll join the two shoulders together. I'll join the two shoulders together. So let me do that and show you what it looks like. What it's looking like now. So I joined them. I've done the darts for both the front and the back. So this is what it's looking like. So this is what I will do next. I already cut out this. I will use it to turn the neck as a bias. Just the same way you put in your bias. That's what I will do. Use it to pipe the neck round. And then the shoulder, the armhole, the parts that will be exposed. I'll use it to look at where I notched it. So I'll pipe it from here, this way, like this. I'll use the bias to turn here like this. So after doing that, so this is how you return it. If you want to turn it to the material, first of all, took it to the back side and then I placed it on it. Place the fabric on the neck area, the back of the cloth, not the front side. And then I sewed it around the neck. So to turn it now to get that bias pattern is this way. All you need to do is, this is the front now, this is the front part, the good part of the fabric. All you need to do now is fold your material like this. You get, and then you run a stitch on it. By so doing, it's going to be at the front. Fold. You run a stitch on it like that. You do that till you get to the end of the neckline. That's how you get this bias pattern with the material. Thank you. Then I would repeat the same pattern on this shoulder area, this armhole area. I've already gone ahead to make the gather stitch. I've already gone ahead. I have a video on how to achieve a neat gather without it skipping or jumping. So I'll attach these gathers now to this down part, right side facing each other. This is the right side. I'll turn it this way on the material, place it on it, and then I'll run a stitch throughout.
Video of how I made these gathers is on my YouTube channel. You can go and check it. And even how I made the sleeve you'll be seeing this is also on my YouTube channel. You can go there and watch it. Thank you. Please do wait to subscribe to my channel for more. God bless you. Yeah, thank you for watching. Do wait to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Thank you. Love you.